Let's talk about this lakeside setup. We're talking a dual lift boathouse with rock columns, party deck above, and a lakeside launch zone down below. And yes, it's out of the flood zone. You're perched just right for unbeatable views and everyday peace of mind. And inside, this home knows how to impress. Stone fireplace, built-ins, and a wall of glass to keep that lake view front and center. And the kitchen comes loaded. Center island, wine wall, walk-in pantry, and granite for days. This suite, total showstopper. Lake views, electric blinds, and a tub that deserves its own spotlight. Clear water, quality build, and a location that's close to everything without feeling like it. Ready to live the Lake Dunlap life? Let's make it happen before someone else does.